Okay, come. You feel cold? You feel happy? Yeah. The what is the color of the sky?
Sky is blue.
No, no, it's not blue. It's right now gray. Yeah. Hold your umbrella. Put your umbrella on the head. Yeah, like this. It's raining? Uh-uh. So you like the rain?
Yeah.
So you wanna play in the rain?
No, I like when the rainy.
Uh-huh.
I love you in the rain.
Oh, you love you the raining. Okay, come. Follow daddy. Follow daddy. Yes, come Gibran. Come. No, beta, you cannot take it. Oh, good job. You take it off. Open it. Okay. Oh, wow. You are playing with the umbrella? Okay, come. Yeah, umbrella close. Mm-hmm. Okay, come here, read the number. Come here. Read the number and the letters on the car. Read the number and the letter. Yeah, good job. Read this number.
This is now not like the three, one not like an 8 or 7, like an 8, one like a 9, one like a 1.
Good job.